Well, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Ran over to Leonard's to go get a drain cover real quick. Now I'm giving Tony a hand with marking out low spots. So like right here is low. So you mark the low spot. Then he can come back and grade out it a little bit better. So he can keep working and I can come over here and mark everything. Man, back hurts. A little bit of a slow morning this morning. But I don't know, this project will be done probably today. It's gonna rain later on today. So we kinda gotta get it done today and get it rolled real well. And then we can not have to worry about swamping out real bad. Well, I'm in the haul truck. Got the 225 injured. We're moving it over to the Dollar General job in Atkins, which is clearing, undercutting, and hauling back in. Probably 4,000 feet of clearing and 4,000 cubic feet of undercut and 10,000 feet of backfill. So that's going to be a hell of a job. So bringing the 225 and maybe the 140 to it and a couple of dozers. It's not a very big job, but it's going to be a very labor-intensive job. Lots of hauling on it. So we're just outside of Atkins now. We'll drop this thing off, and I think that's it for the day. I got some more stuff I got to do. It's 1:45, so those tarp arms should be done here not too terribly much longer. Put the tarp arm back together again. A few other things, but I think this is the only piece of equipment we're going to be moving today. So Ben's making me have a helper because he doesn't want my back to get hurt. I think I could have done this by myself, but it's nice to be able to line that excavator up with a helper. And here comes my turn. This is the 225 Doosan, 52,000 pounds. Hey, Jared, just push down and leave them forward. Don't slow down. Now you can twist up the grass. Well, I'm over at the pit. I'm in the Sani 265. Jiggling. I am walking it down to the road because we're going to get about 1.5 inches of rain in the next, it's going to start at 8. It's about 2 o'clock now. We're going to get 1.5 inches of rain from 8 to midnight. So it's going to be really pouring. And this pit here gets way too muddy. So I'm walking the Sani all the way down to the road, and it's slow going. I think the max speed on it's like 5.2, and then I'm gonna go down the fun way and go down to the bottom level. But I don't have to use my hands, you just use your feet. Slowly walk her all the way down. You can see the rain's coming. Won't be too much longer now. A few hours. Then it should go crazy. Maybe a couple tornadoes. We'll have to see what spins up. But trying to do all the running around and get all this stuff done before the rain hits. We'll see how that goes. It's like anything, any excavation company, running around like crazy right before the rain hits. So I have both feet flat to the floor, which means I'm trying to go straight. And it's constantly turning slightly to the right. So if I adjust here and point right at Jared in that Chevy, it's very slowly turning to the right. So the left track is slightly faster than the right track. See, I'm already way off. It's always been that way since we've had it. Tarp arms back. I'm gonna install them. I'm smoking a cigar, so I'm not gonna videotape it. But that's before. Rain's coming pretty quick. So I'll see how much I get done before I start getting soaked. Well, it's a little dark in here. It's 6:48. I just got done with the tarp. Needs adjustment, so I was gonna just do that tomorrow. It's about to storm here pretty bad apparently. It's gonna get 2 inches in 4 hours. So half an inch an hour of rain. It's gonna end up being pretty bad. So we are headed, Ashley's with me. We are headed to go to Quiznos and get something to eat real quick. Let the dogs out and go pee. Do you want to let them out first? It's gonna rain in another hour, so we still got a little bit more time. So I guess we'll go get sandwiches first, then go let the dogs out. And then when the storm's hitting, I think we're gonna be in the truck to drive it over to like the bank or something and drive it underneath the awning. Try and save this truck as best we can. Don't know how that's gonna end up working out, but we'll just have to see how it goes. They're not really calling for hail, but they are calling for tornadoes. So, and night tornadoes on top of it. So if it does hit here, it's gonna end up being pretty damn bad. I was gonna get the chainsaw from Ben so we can go help cut trees, but my back's still kind of out and it's probably not a great idea. So you can come into this car wash too.
Yep, that's a long drive.
Yeah, but if we're out and about, we can, I was gonna get the chainsaw so I can saw trees and all that stuff. My back's kind of out, so I better just not do that. I don't want to hurt my back, not for cutting down some trees. I'd rather try and save it a little bit more. I can't be down from work anymore. It's too hard on the company for me to be away from work like that. So we'll just try and save the truck as best we can. Don't know how we're going to do all that yet, but we'll try and figure that out as we go. But we'll just mark all the different places to go, and then hopefully we can find a spot. So this ought to be interesting. So keep you guys updated.
Yep.
Hungry. Quiznos. Go let dogs go potty. Well, we are sitting in the truck. The storm is almost here. Should be here in seconds. We'll see if we can get a lightning strike here. Wind's starting to pick up. The edge of the storm should be closing in any minute. So we're sitting in the truck, and there's a spot for me to pull the pickup truck into over there. So we're waiting for this thing to hit. I'm listening to Skywarn. Here if anything pops up here. That wasn't a bad lightning strike. But this is the before video, so we'll take one during. Should get pretty interesting. That was a good one. That lit up the whole sky. So the very edge of the storm just got here. Still not too bad. Still got the puppies. 2 blocks from home. Ashley ran in Walmart, got some ice cream. So we are going to go upstairs in the pouring rain, eat ice cream, and go to bed. This isn't going to be severe. The Skywarn guys and the National Weather Service says that this storm is definitely dissipating, losing a whole bunch of strength, so just gonna be a rainmaker, it seems like. So we're just gonna go to bed. Just go to bed.
Wow. Going down.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see how much damage it did to all of our jobs.